Slippery fish, sliding through the water. Slippery fish, oop, oop, oop.
Hi everyone! Can you guess where I am? Yes, I am under the ocean. I like swimming and looking at the different fishes under the ocean. Now, do you ever wonder how fishes grow? Come on, let me tell you. In today's art, I'll be talking about life cycle. When we say life cycle, it's about the changes a fish goes through as they grow up. Just like you. You were once a baby, and now you're a kid, and someday you'll be a teenager and then a grown-up. It begins with an egg where the organs start to develop. After that, once the eggs are hatched, they are known as larvae. Juvenile fish is a stage wherein the fins, color, and body parts are starting to be visible. And lastly, an adult fish. In this stage, all of its body parts are fully developed. Now that you are all familiar with the life cycle of a fish, let's get started with our craft! Let's start cutting the patterns. Let's put the small patterns on the side and let's focus on the bigger fish. We are going to cut it into half. Let's put this on the side and let's get our one whole sheet of white paper. This time we're going to fold it lengthwise, so make sure that the sides are aligned. Press it. And then once you open it, you would see the crease, and I want you to cut along. We will only be needing half of these, so please put away the other half. And then with this one piece of white paper, we're going to fold a little on the side, just like so. Now I want you to flip it. And then we will do the same fold. Next, let's fold it like a book. And then one more. So if you open it, it actually looks like an accordion. For the next step, let's glue the head part on this side, just like this. And then on the other side, let's paste the tail part of the fish. Next, let's fold the flaps on top of each other so that it will make an effect that it's an accordion. It's time for us to color and paint. Since we will be using the watercolor, make sure that you have a little bit of tap water on your side so that it will be easier for you to mix the paint. It's up to you what color you want to use. Once you're done, let it dry. Once the paint is dry, it's time for us to open our fish. And let's paste the small cutouts on top of the white paper. So we'll begin with the egg, followed by the larva, followed by the juvenile fish, and lastly, the adult fish. Next, please get your black colored pencil and let's start labeling each stage. Let's begin writing the word egg. Followed by the word larva. Next would be juvenile fish. And lastly, to complete the cycle, let's write adult fish. On top of the white paper, let's write the title of our craft. Please write Life Cycle of Fish. Let's fold it like an accordion once again. And at the back of your work or craft, please do not forget to write your short name. And we're done! That's the life cycle of a fish craft. I hope you learned something today and I hope you enjoyed today's activity. See you next time! Bye!